We'll guide you through how to use Grammarly for YouTube script writing. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open on your device and ensure that it is working properly without any issues. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the process can run smoothly. Next, open your browser and type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝘀𝗀 into the address bar, then press enter. Wait for the website to fully load on your screen. Once the site is ready, make sure you are already logged into your account. After that, wait for the dashboard to appear, where you can access all available features. From the dashboard, click on New Document to start a fresh workspace. Wait for the editor to open completely before continuing. Now, decide your video topic clearly before writing. Think about what your audience wants to learn and prepare your main idea. Having a clear direction will help the script become more focused and engaging. Next, look at the right side panel where additional tools are available. Find the AI chat option and click on it. Wait for the chat box to appear on your screen. Once it is ready, type the prompt. Write a 2-minute YouTube script about how to use Grammarly for beginners. After typing the prompt, press enter to send your request. Wait for Grammarly to process the instruction. The AI chat will analyze your prompt and generate a complete script based on your topic. This may take a few moments depending on the request. Once the script is generated, review the content carefully. Start by checking the hook and introduction to ensure they are engaging and clear. If needed, edit the hook to better capture attention at the beginning of the video. After that, adjust the body content to make sure the explanation flows smoothly and matches your intended message. Add or remove details as needed to improve clarity and relevance. If needed, check grammar and clarity using Grammarly suggestions. Apply corrections where necessary to improve the quality of your writing. This step ensures your script sounds professional and easy to understand. Make final improvements by reviewing the entire script again. Ensure that the tone, structure, and wording are consistent throughout the content.